look at the world's top 10 most underrated mysterious places in the world. Before the starting explanation, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Number 10. Devil's Bridge, Germany. One of the most otherworldly creations in the world is the Rakotsbrück or the Devil's Bridge. Set in the beautiful Kromlauer Park, the semicircle bridge is so unbelievably pretty that people say it was built by Satan himself, and that's why the name. Besides, several supernatural happenings have been reported here. Number 9. Great Blue Hole, Belize. This place has long attracted divers and underwater explorers for its unexplained phenomena, the world's biggest sinkhole measuring 1,000 feet across and plunges to 400 feet deep. It's one of the most mysterious and unexplored underwater sites on Earth. Number 8. Highgate Cemetery, England. London's Highgate Cemetery is certainly a place for daredevils. The age-old angelic figures positioned in the middle of the garden, laughing gargoyles, and infinite rows of tombs are enough to scare the guts out of any brave heart. It is believed that blood-sucking vampires lurk here after the sunset, but nobody who dared to go inside lived to tell the reality. Number 7. Kamakhya Devi Temple, India. Kamakhya Devi is a beautiful hilltop temple situated in the northeastern Indian state of Assam. It is also one of the Shakti Peethas in India, where goddess Kali is venerated. Legend has it that Kamakhya temple is built on the spot where Sati's yoni or vagina fell. Every year, a very mysterious thing happens in the temple for 3 days in a specific month. Number 6. Kodini, the village of twins, India. Now who can explain this extremely weird phenomenon? Kodini is a small village in Kerala, situated about 35 kilometers from Calicut. Around 2,000 families live in this pretty South Indian village, and almost every family has a pair of twins. The village is renowned for its inexplicable number of twin births since 1949. Ever since then, the number has gone tremendously up with each passing year, and as per current records, there are 200 twins. No doctor or scientist could solve this. Number 5. Roswell, USA. Roswell in New Mexico is a hub of alien conspiracy theories. In 1947, the small US city hit headlines when a ranch worker informed the local authorities that he stumbled upon debris from a flying saucer crash. Number 4. Stonehenge, England. Stonehenge is a more than 5,000 years old structure in England that has long oozed mystery and magic. It is basically a circular cluster of humongous megalith stones made of unique bluestone material. It is believed that this unique bluestone is found only on the Preseli Hills in Pembrokeshire, which is some 322 kilometers away in Wales. So, the mystery here is how the Neolithic folks transported such massive rocks all the way, and what was their purpose for building it, no one knows. Number 3. The Banff Springs Hotel, Canada. The fans of Stanley Kubrick's The Shining must be widely aware of the Banff Springs Hotel of Canada. The hotel is a hub of unexplained mysteries, ghost stories and bizarre happenings. According to locals, a family was murdered in cold blood in room 873, and the hotel is now haunted by their souls. Many talk of reappearing doormen who keep disappearing into thin air when spotted. Number 2. Uluru, Australia. Uluru in Australia has always fascinated travelers with an adventure streak. It's basically a gargantuan block of sandstone rock, which resembles the upper shell of a turtle. It's a sight to behold and attracts hikers to history buffs in search of prehistoric evidence. The place is also the origin of Aboriginal Australians. Number 1. A look at the world's most underrated mysterious places. There's nothing more nerve-chilling than discovering a place full of mystery, eerie happenings and unexplained phenomena. And if you are someone who enjoys exploring such destinations, our planet is brimming with such surreal sights that are downright bizarre. And no, we'll not tell you about the ones you already know, such as Bermuda Triangle or Nazca Lines in Peru or Area 51. United States, let us take you on a virtual tour of some of the world's most underrated mysterious places.